Chapter 4. Tick, tick, tick. Introduction. Pankaj and Sanya were discussing whose home is farther from school. Pankaj says, I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school. Sanya says, I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school. Pankaj says, Impossible. Your home is farther from school. Sanya replied, But I checked my watch. I started for school at 7 o'clock. When I reach school, the minute's hand points at 2. So, shouldn't it be 2 minutes past 7 or 7:02? Pankaj says, You are wrong. You reach school at 7:10. Sanya asks, How do you say that? Pankaj replied, Can you see these thin lines between the numbers? Sanya said, Yes, so what? Pankaj explained, The minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12. So it is 10 minutes past 7 or 7:10. I start for school at 7. I reach at 7:05. See, the minute hand moves across 5 lines. Do you know how many lines are present between two adjacent numbers in a clock? Observe the clock and tell your answer. 5. In a clock, between two adjacent numbers, there are 5 lines. If suppose the big hand turns from 12 to 3, so how many digits have been covered by big hand? What is the product of 3 and 5? 15. That was easy. So, it's easy to find minutes covered, isn't it? You must know that small hand is also called as hour hand, whereas big hand is also called as minute hand. There is a third hand too. It is called the second hand. Show the following time in the clock. First, in the first clock, we have to show 3:10. So first, show the hour hand at 3 in this way. 10 minutes means 2 into 5 minutes. Show the minute hand on clock, placing it on 2 after 12, in this manner. Second, in the second clock, we have to show 6:40. So first, show the hour hand at 6 in this way. 40 minutes means 8 into 5 minutes. Show the minute hand on clock, placing it on 8 after 12, in this manner. Third, in the third clock, we have to show 4:45. So, show the hour hand at 4 in this way and minute hand at 9 in this manner. Self-study. Do you like sky watching? In the sky, there is sun, moon, and there are stars too. Do you? In every country, the time of sunrise and sunset is different. In our country, the time of sunrise and sunset is different in different months. For example, during the month of March to June, during summer, sun rises early and sets late. During the month of July to October, during monsoons, sun rises late and sets early. During the month of November to February, during winters, sun rises late and sets early. This photo was taken in Paris, France. In Paris, the sun sets after 9 p.m. at night during summer. This photo was taken at night, but in winter it becomes dark. here by 4 p.m. in the evening. Observe the figure and find out how long will it take the minute hand to move from A. 3:35 to 3:50. Solution. Minute hand has to move from 7 to 10. It means 10 minus 7 into 5. As you know that when a minute hand moves between two adjacent numbers, it covers 5 minutes. So, here in this case, minute hand will take 3 into 5 is equal to 15 minutes. B. 3:40 to 4. Solution. Minute hand has to move from 8 to 12. It means 12 minus 8 into 5 minutes is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20 minutes. Self-study. Let's look at the clock again. Solve this one. A. The minute hand started from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to 2 again? Solution. Minute hand starts from 2 and comes back to 2 again. Here it covers 12 digits. 12 digit means 12 into 5 is equal to 60 minutes. B. What happens to the hour hand? Does it also move? How long will it take to move from one number to the next? Solution. Suppose the hour hand is at 7 and minute hand is at 12. It means it is exactly 7. But when minute hand is at 12 and after some time again comes at 12, the time is 8. So the hour hand moves one digit ahead. That is, it moves from 7 to 8. It takes 60 minutes. Therefore, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Self-study. Rani's diary. Rani invites her school friends to meet her newborn baby sister. Rani said to them, "Come, let's go to see my new baby sister." "Ma, I have brought sweets for Muni, but she can't eat. She is too small and she doesn't even talk. She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up." January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating, walking. Self-study. Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. It has a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. After 1 year, it was a grown-up dog and got its own puppies. Note the differences between Muni and Rani's puppy. Positions: Muni, age; puppy, age. Started walking, 11 months after her birth. 4 weeks after its birth. Ate food for the first time. 6 months after her birth. 3 weeks after its birth. Got the first tooth. 6 months after her birth. 3 weeks after its birth. Did you observe? There is a difference between Rani's sister and puppy's growth cycle. In the same manner, every animal grows at different speed. Different organisms grows as per their own space. If we compare hen, cow or bird, then bird grows at a faster rate. After birds, then comes the hen, as hen grows faster than a cow. Self-study. Holidays are fun. Ali's holidays had begun. He was excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Shabana. So, he wrote her a letter. Ajmer. Date 7/5/2018. Dear Shabana Appa, hello. How are you? I am fine here. Appa, my holiday have started from today. I am going to my Nani's place on 10/5/2018. I will be back on 20/5/2018. My school will reopen on 4/6/2018. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have great fun. Bye for now. Ali. Shabana, who stays in Nagpur, got this letter on 13/5/2018. She wrote back to Ali. Nagpur, 14/5/2018. Dear Ali, hello. I am doing well here. I got your letter yesterday. Happy holidays. My school will close on 1st June 2018. It will reopen on 10th August. I will go on a school trip to Goa and will return on 7/6/2018. I will try to come to Ajmer after that. Bye. Shabana. Ali wrote his letter on 7/5/2018. You remember how we write a date in numbers? 7/5/2018 is 7th May 2018. Self-study. Numbers of days. On 15th May 2017, Chandran went to a shop to buy butter. He checked the packet to see if this butter was safe to eat. It was written on the packet, best before 180 days from the date of packing. Then he checked the date of packing. It was 15/1/2017. Help him find out if he should buy this butter or not. Count the number of days from 15/1/2017 to 15/5/2017. 16 days of January, 28 days of February, 31 days of March, 30 days of April, 15 days of May. Adding all of them, we get 120 days. Butter is consumable till 180 days from the day of packing. So, he can buy this butter. Which month will it be? 180 days after 15/1/2017. 16 days of January, 28 days of February, 31 days of March, 30 days of April, 31 days of May, 30 days of June, 14 days of July. Adding all of them, we get 180 days. On 14/7/2017, we get 180 days. Can Chandran eat it on 15th May 2017? Yes, he can eat butter, as it cannot be eaten after 14 July 2017. Self-study. Tappu missed the train. Tappu's school had closed for the summer holidays. He went to his grandmother's place. He met a lot of his cousins there. He was enjoying himself and didn't want to go back home. Tappu, pack your bag. The train will leave at 5:30 in the evening. Oh no, we are going back so soon. I wish we miss our train. Tappu and his parents reached the station at 5:15. But guess what? They had actually missed the train. Hooray! That means I am not going back today. Can you guess why they missed the train? Actually, the train had left at 5:30 in the morning. Tappu's parents were upset. They asked the station master, "A ticket says 5:30. But sir, this means 5:30 in the morning." Oh yes, how could I forget that? The railways will write 17:30 for 5:30 in the evening. Why? Because they use a 24-hour clock. Look at this chart. It tells the difference between your watch and a 24-hour clock. Try to complete it. Time by your watch, 12-hour clock. Time by a 24-hour clock. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 1300 hours. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 1400 hours. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 1500 hours. 3:30 in the afternoon, 1530 hours. 6 o'clock in the evening, 1800 hours. 9 o'clock in the evening, 2100 hours. 12 o'clock in the midnight, 24 hours. Now, can you tell why a 24-hour clock is called so? Because it tells the time according to 24-hour format. Suppose a train leaves at 8:30 at night, the time written on the railway ticket would be 20:30 would be written on railway ticket. In a 12-hour clock, each time comes twice in a day. So, 5:30 in the morning is 5:30 a.m. 5:30 in the evening is 5:30 p.m. What is about 12:30 in the afternoon? That is 12:30 p.m. After 12 o'clock at noon, we use p.m. till midnight. Self-study. what we have learned. Watching time in the clock. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days, except February has 28 or 29 days. Writing calendar date in numbers and words. Calculate the number of days in a month. Understand the knowledge of 12 hours and 24 hours.